Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. This one is a Valentine's Day special video I'm doing for my love lovers. Yeah, my lovers, right? Nah, lovely, my lovely fans. Yeah, so Charlie, yeah, so this is just a vast day addition of how to make money online. And a lot of people have been asking me about these things. And when they ask me, I always charge them before I do this thing. So today I want to do this on a free addition, on a free mode. I'm not charging anything. I'm just doing this video as my vast gift to you all. This one is a chocolate video. So first of all, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will get alerts when I drop new and fresh videos every day. Yeah, so I want to show you how you can buy USDT with your mobile money. Yeah, you can buy USDT with your mobile money without any P2P this thing. Nah, you can buy. So no time to waste. You'll be using Xness to do it. Yeah. So if you don't have Xness accounts, I will leave Xness account link in the description in case you want to join and also buy USDT from there with your mobile money and yeah and so on and so on and so on. Yeah. Because like Xness, you can do everything like depositing money, withdrawing money, everything is free on this platform. Yeah, if you are depositing money on this platform, it's free. If you are depositing money, it's free. Yeah. So no time to waste. Let me show you how we do it. Yeah. So first of all, when you open XNES account, this how it is. This how it is. Yeah. So we have deposits, we have withdraw, we have transaction history, and a lot. Yeah. So yeah. So this how the platform look like. So we have deposit, withdraw, transaction history, crypto wallet, analytics, portfolio management, investment wallet, social trading. So, so if you want to buy USDT with your mobile money, you go to deposit. It means that we want to deposit money in our Xnex accounts. Yeah. So this is how it is. So everything that we have deposits, we have mobile, we have what Binance Pay, mobile money, USDT, bank card, Bitcoin, mobile money too, a lot. You see that thing? Yeah. So since we want to use mobile money to buy it, don't use this thing. Let me show you. You see that the more money we have to, don't use the first one. So you see that mobile money we have to. So you go to use the mobile money too. Yeah. Then the amount you want to deposit, let's say 1,000. So 1,000, you will get 79.56 USDT. So let's say 3,000. So 3,000, you will get what 200 on what 88 USD. That's the amount you'll be getting. Yeah. So you go to continue. And let me tell you one thing on Xness, USDT is equal to USDT. So if you have the USDT, it's the same as what USDT. Yeah. So don't get it confused. Yeah. So when I want to buy USD, so one Ghana cedi is equal to 0.07 USD. Is that thing? Yeah. So this one I'll be buying this USDT with what? My mobile money. So I'll click on what continue. And when you're creating the account, first of all, you will link with your mobile money. So you see that I have linked with my mobile money, so I can change it anytime. I can change it anytime. You see, I can change it anytime. Yeah. So you choose your mobile provider. So choose MTN and confirm. Sorry, and confirm it. So right now they have sent me some message for me to what, the OTP for me to what, click on, like put it here and submit it. Yeah. So when you put it there and submit it, then you enter your code and make the payment. So that's how you buy USDT with mobile money. So if this video was very educative for you, you can subscribe and catch me same time tomorrow. I'm out. Happy Thursday.